Hello everyone, welcome to the new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to switch to a professional account on Instagram. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more future tutorials like these. Let's start. Go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Then go to the Edit profile. Then tap on Switch to Professional Account. Go to Continue on all of this. And select the category of your choice. Here you can enable it to be seen on your Instagram. And tap on Done. Now select a category if you are a creator or a business account. In this option you can connect your Facebook and Instagram account. Then you have 5 steps to complete your account. But I won't do that now. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Goodbye.